We are going to begin this morning with those markets poised for that lower open. This, of course, as Fed Chair Jerome Powell will head to Capitol Hill. Later this hour, he will begin 2 days of testimony on the economy. He'll have an appearance before the Senate Banking Committee, whose members we expect will have a lot of questions for him. Certainly a focus will be inflation. And as well, interest rate hikes. We'll bring you that live. Tomorrow, Powell's going to testify before the House Financial Services Committee. Any thoughts on anything I've just mentioned, Mr. Cramer?
Well, look, I do want to go to what you're talking about tonight, because the weakest group is oil. And I'm wondering, as we talk about the 18-cent possible tax holiday on oil, the otherworldly nature of President Biden not really paying attention to the markets, oil's given back quite a bit.
It has.
Oil's in a bear market suddenly.
Very strange. Is it just because people expect a recession and therefore a significant slowdown in demand?
Yes. And I think that we should recognize in some venues Powell is winning. I mean, Powell goes to the Hill. Now, oil can spike, of course, but there are some things that are coming down. And I think it's worth noting that the thing that was most visible that Biden is just kind of like talking about that doesn't make sense is oil is in free fall. And it tells me, David, like, for instance, Exxon, we got your documentary tonight.
Yep.
I mean, Exxon stock is down big. And it's been down for a week.
Right.
And
it was up yesterday. It had a big day yesterday.
Giving that back.
There was an upgrade. It's giving that back. And, of course, if we look at the actual commodity itself, to your point, it's down about 5%. We're also seeing there, that's the stocks, but we're also seeing this latest proposal for suspension of the gas tax.
Right.
That's about 18 cents. Unclear whether that actually will go anywhere. It needs congressional approval.
But David, there's a moment in your
opposition.
unbelievable doc where you talk about documentary. I shouldn't use the short end. You talk about the idea of 2040 and what's going to happen if it's all electric. And Darren Woods says, listen, we've got chemicals, which is almost like kind of shocking to me. But what it reminds me is, there is a universe which says that perhaps in the future, because the futures are indicating this, nat gas is down, oil is down. So I'm always questioning whether we should go all in on the inflation thesis when we do have some things that are working.
True. And you do have to wonder if this continues, what that will mean for the overall inflation picture. Not to mention, to your point, that Powell is sort of getting a little bit of what they may want.
Yes. But there you got, you have Dow Chemical downgraded today to a sell. Downgraded as a 5% yield. That's, this Credit Suisse. We have a number of people saying that Nike is doing quite wrong. We've got Burlington Stores down. There's a lot of people saying that Bed Bath seems to be on the precipice. So, I'm seeing, David, over and over again, things that indicate that Powell conceivably could be winning, and yet we never hear that narrative on air. And I'm really curious to hear from you whether, behind the scenes, did Exxon ever talk about the fact that the longer-term projection for oil is to go down, not up?
Well, they don't plan on it for being anywhere near the price it is. You know that. They sort of expect that it will. They're happy to point out that 2 years ago, we were negative, what did we get to? Right. Negative 47 for a few minutes.
But don't you prefer their view than a lot of the pundits who come on air and talk about?
To your point, one of the main questions is what demand for gasoline will be like in 5, 10 years from now. Not to mention 18 years from now, when perhaps the expectation is, even on Exxon's modeling, that you may have virtually all electric cars on the road. So we'll see.
You pressed Darren Woods, the CEO, about what seems to be the otherworldly nature of if everybody were driving electric cars, Exxon would still be doing well. That seemed not facetious, but you did have a kind of a smirk. It's kind of the smirk that you give me when I say something that you think is just kind of way out of bounds. Do we have any film? I'm mesmerized by the doc.
You've got a big night tonight as well. We do have some things, of course. And this will be it. This will be the last time we have to promote. And then our viewers, people have stopped me on the street now and said, ExxonMobil, 8 o'clock.
Are they really?
Yeah. So
no one stopped me
the
on
message is getting out.